I turned 6 years old on the day he died, in some faraway battle that took his life. Our lives forever changed from that point on. My mom and brothers and sisters and me were left to cope in our misery, and not knowing what to do with Daddy gone. Grandpa came down and stayed a while. He did his level best to smile and try to be a father for us kids. He told us stories of two great sons. One was his and the other one, who was the greatest son of all that ever lived. He said, your daddy and Jesus, boy, I'll tell you what, they sure knew how to love a lot. They loved you and me and everyone in between. Your daddy and Jesus died that others might live, and no man hath more love to give. They are the greatest sons any man has ever seen. Grandpa said, now let me tell you this, you know we're always gonna miss your daddy being with us here at home. But we can smile 'cause your daddy was born again. He prayed and asked forgiveness for his sins. Now he's with Jesus in heaven at God's throne. And I told you that to tell you this, give praise to God and don't forget, He gave us the greatest son man's ever known. Yeah, your daddy and Jesus, boy, let me tell you what, they sure knew how to love a lot. They loved you and me and everyone in between. Your daddy and Jesus died that others might live, and no man hath more love to give. They are the greatest sons any man has ever seen. Your daddy and Jesus, the greatest son